Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm gonna do some procedure tricks about how to use Google Classroom. First, you gonna open Safari or Chrome on your laptop and type classroom.google.com. Enter. After loading right, like here, you can push the button here and click join class. Add the code that your teacher gives to you, like this. Click join. Now you already join some class, and you can add your work in here, the work. This is the work. See the work. And if you want to add your work in the class, just add this place like here and click file. And drag your file into here. And send it. Don't. Just that. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.